Dirty seats, spills, pet hair, and daily wear can wreck your Honda Pilot interior fast. A solid set of seat covers protects your factory seats, boosts comfort, and upgrades the look in one move. Today, we are checking out the best Honda Pilot seat covers based on real features and everyday use. Product links are waiting for you in the video description. Starting with number 3, EKR seat covers are all about that factory-like, glove-tight fit. These are custom-tailored for Honda Pilot models from 2016 through 2022, and reviewers constantly mention how clean and OEM the install looks once finished. The solvent-free leather feels soft but durable, handles spills like a champ, and still breathes well. Everything works as intended, from airbags to seat adjustments, making these a slick, worry-free upgrade. At number 2, FREESOO brings a more luxury-focused vibe with full 3-row coverage. These covers are designed specifically for 8-passenger Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022 and use Nappa-style faux leather that looks upscale without being high maintenance. Reviews highlight the solid stitching, strong zippers, and how secure everything feels once installed. Installation takes some time, but the result is a premium interior that holds up well to kids, road trips, and daily abuse. Taking the top spot at number 1, CTDS seat covers win on versatility and long-term practicality. They fit Honda Pilot models from 2003 all the way to 2026, which is huge if you want a simple solution without worrying about trim years. The leather fabric resists scratches from pets, wipes clean easily, and stays comfortable thanks to its breathable design. Safety features like airbag compatibility are well thought out, making these a solid everyday choice. All 3 of these seat covers do a great job protecting your Honda Pilot while leveling up the interior. Check the links in the video description for pricing and fit details. If this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and stick around for more honest Honda Pilot reviews.